mulligan's alright. Let's see, he mulligans down to 6, down to 5. And then he keeps. And we'll play our Horizon Spellbomb. Hopefully he drops a piece of equipment for our spider. In case we draw another spell bomb off of this one, I'd like to just play it this turn, which we did not. We'll go ahead and obviously get a green. I think he's going to have a 4-drop, so we'll trade here. If he wanted to block anyways. So let's hope to God he does not have Koth. Although, the spider would be pretty good against Koth. Cooling Days should be good. Although I like just getting that spider out there now, having a dude to bash at him. He did mull down to 5, so he's going to be running pretty slim on cards. Arrest. Oh, good thing we have Revoke. I think revoking it is still the right choice for now. Because, I mean, we're not going to get through that wall. And we don't want to be taking however much damage a turn. Let's think about this. We play Cooling Days, which we're definitely going to be doing this turn, so we'll go ahead and do that. We can sack this spider and hold on to the revoke, and hopefully draw a card that's better than the spider. On the other hand, if we revoke the arrest, I think I kind of like sacking it, just because then we get to hold on to revoke, and he definitely has a lot of artifacts in his deck. And again, we're just kind of hoping he doesn't draw a Koth. Hard to deal with that guy. Too bad this is an instant speed. We could remove it. It'd be great. Go and block here. I'm going to go and sack this to put a charge counter on the Cooling Days. We don't need that mirror. Alright, so we could use Sylvok Replica and the Revoke to kill the wall and the arrest. And then start bashing with Spider. And just having it, I mean, the spider is going to be really good against Koth, so I think it's better than sacking it to Cooling Days. So yeah, I think that's the right play. We're actually going to revoke the Wall of Tanglecord because it's not going to be possible for him to bring the arrest back, but it will be possible for him to bring the wall back with something like a Riz or Hippogriff or... Sack it at the arrest. And yeah, we'll trade 3 damage for 4 damage. Or 3 damage for 2 damage. I apologize. And let's see what he's got. you would. Oh, why did we not sack it with Culling Days? I am a moron. You guys are like, who is this guy? Why is he making draft videos? He sucks. I'm going to go ahead and sack this. Should be 2 cards, but it's not, so. So we get a little hasty there. I've been getting a lot of lands this game, which is unfortunate. It's got a pretty good deck. Precursor Golem, and the Koth. Yeah, we'll play that. Draw another land. So we'll hang in there, but it's looking pretty grim. I mean, this much land is... That was obviously something we were aware that could happen to us. We're going to block the Precursor, and you always want to keep... I mean, unless he has like a Glimmerpoint Stag or something, but you want to keep the Precursor alive, because if you do top deck something like a Revoke or a Sorcery or Instant that could kill him, it can kill them all. Go ahead and block there and sack at the other Golem. Take 3. And that's not going to save us, but we'll run it out. So this game's been kind of wah-wah. Yeah, we're just running slim here. I don't think there is something. Yeah, it's not going to save us. Go ahead and concede. Anyways, that's draft number 3. Unfortunately, we were taken down in the 3rd round. This guy had a pretty good deck. He could ramp up pretty quickly. Although, I give him credit, he mulled down to 5 and took down game 2. So, that's good. We can stay alive another turn, so we're going to keep playing. Made a couple players, but we were able to call them out right away. So that's good. And the Culling Days was a player. We had some crossroad decisions to make. A lot in game 2 against the Poison, because we were kind of... I mean, we were losing almost at all times. Even in the times where we were being offensive with our creatures, we were still... yeah, Nitrogen Sensor, we lose. Even when we were being offensive with our creatures, we were still barely staying alive on the defense. Yes. Anyways, he's gonna finish me here, so... thanks for watching. That's Scars Muradin draft number 3. Thank you for joining Koth.0. I am your host, Nick Rennard, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next time for Scars Muradin draft number 4.